Welcome back to Drumming with Josh. I'm Josh, and in this video we're going over the exercise 8 on a hand. 8 on a hand is an iconic exercise, and it's a great way to warm up before a practice. This exercise not only gets your hands moving, but it also gets your mind ready to focus. This will make your practice more efficient overall. This video will use some concepts found in the counting video, basic strokes video, and dynamics video. So if you haven't checked those out yet, click the link in the description. Once you're ready, grab some sticks, your practice pad, and let's get into it. 8 on a hand is pretty much what it sounds like. We're going to play 8 notes with our dominant hand, followed by 8 notes with our offhand. We'll add a little complexity in a moment, but that's pretty much the basis of this exercise. Let's begin by playing 1 measure of eighth notes with our dominant hand, followed by 1 measure of eighth notes with our offhand together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's tweak this exercise so that it wakes up our focus as well as our hands. We'll begin with the same exercise we just played, 1 measure with our dominant hand, 1 measure with our offhand, but then we're going to follow with 2 measures of our dominant hand. Let's try counting and playing this together. 1, 2, ready, and dom. 2 and 3 and 4 and off. 2 and 3 and 4 and dom. 2 and 3 and 4 and dom, and 2 and 3 and 4 and off. Now let's do the same thing, but leading with our offhand. 1 measure with our offhand, 1 measure with our dominant hand, and then 2 measures of our offhand again. Counting and playing together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Off, and 2 and 3 and 4 and dom, and 2 and 3 and 4 and off, and 2 and 3 and 4 and off, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, let's smash this all together. We're going to play both the dominant hand pattern followed by the offhand pattern with no break. Counting and playing together, starting with our dominant hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and off hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4, 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. How'd you do? As a reminder, make these videos work for you. If you need to pause or rewind, go for it. Only you can set your pace. All right, let's try a few variations to make this even more interesting. First, we'll try playing the whole exercise at 9 inches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and off hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, let's speed it up a bit and play the whole thing at 3 inches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Lastly, let's slow it back down and try doing crescendos. This means we'll begin each hand at taps and gradually move up to vertical strokes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Hopefully you're starting to see some of the uses that come with this exercise. Keep in mind that warm-ups are a time for deep focus. The goal is to fully engage your mind and body so that we can make the most of our practice time. If you find yourself trailing off, gently remind yourself to focus back on your counting in your hands. Now that you know the exercise 8 on a hand, join me for a guided practice session. Thanks again for watching. If you find this content helpful, please share it with a friend and let me know what you think in the comments below. New videos are available each week, so hit that bell for notifications. Till next time.